In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Lorem Ipsum placeholder text in Adobe InDesign. I have a blank InDesign file open, and I'm going to the left toolbar and choosing the Type tool. I'm going to click and drag a text box. It just has my cursor blinking there. I would like to fill this box with placeholder text. So an easy way to do that in InDesign is go up to Type, Fill with Placeholder Text. And it fills your entire box with placeholder text very easily. It fills the box that you see here. So if you expand this box or change the size, it's the same amount that you originally put inside. Now let's say you actually want to make this box a lot bigger and you need more placeholder text. So I expanded my box size and it's kind of empty down here. Let's go back up to Type and Fill with Placeholder Text. Now it fills the whole box again and just adds more placeholder text to this. So that's a quick tutorial about how to add Lorem Ipsum placeholder text in Adobe InDesign. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And subscribe to Crye Studio for more Adobe InDesign and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.